Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. It's Natalia, and today I'm going to be showing you my morning routine with my 2-year-old. Let's get started. So right now you see me driving. This morning I had to drop my mom off somewhere early in the morning, and then on the way back home I stopped to get coffee, and I enjoyed that for a little bit. And since this Krispy Kreme is in front of an airport, I sat there for a couple minutes and I watched the planes land. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. A little after I got back home, Zara finally woke up, but we just cuddled for a little bit before I decided to get up and make us some breakfast. So this morning I decided to make some breakfast sausage, fried eggs, and some fruit on the side. And that's my brother in the background with Zara popping in to say hello. I don't cook breakfast for us every morning because Zara eats breakfast at daycare during the weekday, but this is a weekend and she loves to help whenever I do, or at least she thinks she's helping. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. I saw this baby lead winning hack on Pinterest a while back when I was introducing Zara to new foods. So basically you just put your finger through the middle of the banana and split it into 3 parts, and then you have banana sticks. So this is what her plate is looking like. I'm just gonna pour her some juice, and then I'm gonna call her in the dining room to come eat.
Whoa, please! Please! Please!
I never buy blueberries because I don't like them, but I know Zara likes them, so I bought them for her this day, and she was very excited. While she was eating, I just went ahead and cleaned up the kitchen so I don't have to worry about it. Am I the only one who likes watching people clean their kitchen on YouTube? I don't know, it's just so satisfying to me.
If you have a toddler, you already know how hard it is to get them to eat, but look at her plate. She finished all of it. But now we're about to brush her teeth and wash her face for the day.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
Zara actually looks forward to brushing her teeth every day, but she likes to do it. But when I do it, she hates it.
I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah.
When she was all done, she just went out into the living room and started playing on my brother's iPad. They usually just color on it for a couple of minutes, but you see me up top. I'm just clearing my bed so I can make it up. Now that the bed's all clear, it's time to get her dressed. And oh my god, y'all, she gave me a hard time. She would not sit still. She kept rolling over, but I'm used to it by now.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Now that she's all dressed, I just quickly got dressed off camera and then I began to do her hair. But these are the products that I used on her hair today.
Spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away.
I don't know, but Zara was showing off for the camera today. She ate all her food and now she's letting me do her hair. Any other time she lets me do her hair, it's a problem. She never sits still. She's so cute in this clip, but right now I'm just gonna slick down her baby hairs and then I'm all finished with her hair. This is what it's looking like. I was gonna braid the back, but she actually started getting jittery, so I just left it in puffs. Right now, I'm just letting Zara draw on my notebook and she's eating some snacks, but it's almost lunchtime. So today for lunch, we all decided to go to the farmer's market and find something there to eat. Zara and I both had a hot dog, and once again, she finished her whole hot dog. I'm so proud of her today. And that is it for our morning, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this far. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.